Hi guys, so if your Android phone is showing too many ads and it's getting annoying, don't worry. Today I'll show you two simple methods that can help reduce ads on your phone. Let's get into it. Method 1, Private DNS. First, open settings. Now go to connections and sharing. Some phones may show network and internet. Now tap Private DNS. Select private DNS provider host name or specific DNS. And here just type dns.edgard.com. Then tap OK. That's it. This one is really useful. It can block a lot of ads in apps and websites automatically. Now let's move to the second method. Again, go to settings, scroll down and open Google. Tap all services. Then look for ads. Now listen, this part is a little different on different phones. If you see ad personalization, just turn it off. Simple. But if you don't see that option, don't worry. Instead, you'll see delete advertising ID, reset advertising ID. If you see this option, just tap delete advertising ID. This removes your old ad tracking data. Or if you want, you can tap reset advertising ID to start fresh. And that's it. Whatever option you see, just use it to reduce ad tracking. Try these two methods and you'll notice a difference. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.